The photography world is standing on the precipice of a revolution, and it's called the Sony A7R VI. For years, the R series has been the gold standard for high-resolution imaging, but as we move deeper into 2026, the whispers from Tokyo have turned into a roar. We aren't just talking about a minor megapixel bump anymore. We're talking about the complete redefinition of what a full-frame sensor can achieve. Imagine standing in the middle of a bustling New York street or a silent canyon in Utah, capturing a single frame that holds so much detail you could crop it to a pigeon's eye from a block away and still see the reflection of the sky. This is the promise of the A7R VI. The leaks suggest a staggering 95-megapixel sensor, a number that sounds like science fiction but is becoming our new reality. But why does this matter to you, the creator? Because it's not just about the pixels, it's about the soul of the image. The core of this beast is the rumored BIONZ XR2 Processor, a chip so powerful it handles data streams that would make a high-end gaming PC sweat. We're looking at AI-integrated autofocus that doesn't just find eyes, but predicts human movement based on skeletal structures. If you've ever missed a shot at a wedding because the bride turned too quickly, those days are over. The A7R VI is being built to think faster than the photographer. And let's talk about the video capabilities, because the line between cinema and stills has officially vanished. 8K 60 frames per second with full sensor readout and no overheating? That was the dream in 2024, but in 2026, it's the baseline. Sony is reportedly implementing a new thermal management system inspired by their FX Cinema line, ensuring that your camera doesn't shut down right when the light hits its peak. But the competition isn't sleeping. Canon and Nikon have thrown down the gauntlet. Yet Sony remains the king of the ecosystem. The E-mount library is now a sprawling empire, and the A7R VI is the crown jewel. Think about the dynamic range. Rumors point towards 16+ stops. That's Alexa territory. You could shoot directly into the sun and still pull detail out of the deepest shadows without a hint of noise. This isn't just a tool. It's a superpower for your portfolio. We are seeing a shift toward global shutter technology trickling down from the A9 III, potentially eliminating rolling shutter forever. Imagine shooting high-speed sports or birds in flight with zero distortion. The professional landscape is changing, and if you don't adapt to this level of tech, you're leaving money and quality on the table.